Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to change video output resolution. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Now go to screen and video, video output, and go to resolution. Now you can select it between automatic, 720p, 1080p, I, and 1080p. Then you can test if your video output supports 1440p. Next you can enable or disable VRR, that allows the refresh rate to adjust in real time while using TVs and games that support VRR. Then you can enable 120Hz output between automatic or off. You can enable ALLM, which is auto low latency mode. And next you can manage HDR, adjust HDR, you can enable or disable deep color output and change a RGB range. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.